Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil fall 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices eased after rallying more than 4% in the previous session, with traders cautious as they watched for potential supply disruptions amid military clashes between Israel and the Palestinian group Hamas. The dollar was steady and below recent highs as comments by Federal Reserve officials dampened rate hike expectations, although investors kept an eye on the conflict between Israel and the Palestinian Islamist group Hamas. Failed crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital's attempts to pursue a $284 million claim against crypto lender BlockFi was put into mediation by the US bankruptcy judge overseeing BlockFi's case.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 hours GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's producer price index will be released at 2350 GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT, the UK's RICS Housing Price Balance at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.